This video explains the difference between copper Ethernet cables and fiber optic cables. Imagine the internet as a highway. The cables are the roads carrying all the traffic, your videos, messages, and files. But not all roads are built the same. Copper and fiber optic cables are two very different paths that determine how fast and smoothly your data travels. Which one wins the race depends on cost, purpose, and what you need most, speed or simplicity. Let's first look at copper Ethernet cables. Copper cables transmit data using electrical signals. They are made from twisted pairs of copper wires. They're the same types of cables you often plug into your laptop or router. In terms of cost, copper cables are cheaper to buy and install. This makes them the practical choice for smaller setups. They're also easy to handle and connect with simple tools, which appeals to users with basic networking needs. In terms of safety, copper cables are safe to touch. However, they can be affected by electromagnetic interference, reducing their reliability in noisy environments. The main advantages of copper cables are their low cost, good performance over short distances, and compatibility with most devices. However, they also have disadvantages. Their speed decreases over long distances, and the signal begins to weaken after about 100 meters. For this reason, copper cables are preferred in homes or small offices where budget and simplicity matter more than ultra-high speed. Now on to fiber optic cables. Fiber optic cables use light signals instead of electricity, allowing data to travel through thin glass fibers at incredible speeds. They are more expensive to produce and install, but provide unmatched performance in data transfer. Handling them requires special tools and skills, as they are more delicate than copper cables. Fiber cables are also immune to electromagnetic interference and safe from lightning damage, making them highly reliable. The advantages of fiber optics include extremely high speeds, long-distance transmission, and consistent reliability, even when transferring large amounts of data. On the downside, they are fragile and costly to repair or replace. Because of these traits, fiber optic networks are preferred in data centers, large companies, and internet service providers that demand top performance. Think of copper cables as local roads. They are cheap and easy to build, but often slower due to many traffic lights. Fiber optics, in contrast, is like express highways. They are costly to build, but lightning fast and smooth, even over long distances. Copper brings convenience and savings, while fiber brings speed and power. The best choice depends on the journey you're taking. You decide whether you need short and simple or fast and far.
Simply click the link below to learn more.